All right, purpose of this, my next little goal here is get the rear end battened up tight. I need to set the pinion angle, rotate that up. Go ahead and get the perches and the mounts welded to the axles. Right now, I don't know if I don't know how well this rear end's centered, so like I said, I'll end up having to jack this thing up, I believe, get all the weight up off the axles, slide it side to side, make sure it's centered, get the pinion angle correct, match it up to the transmission, then I'll go ahead and weld everything up. See how this takes. All right, set the pinion angle. Went ahead and welded up the perches. I didn't weld them super thick. I don't think this thing needs to get bad super thick welds on it, but we did it anyways. Got it centered, got the angle set. So stand back and figure out what I gotta do next. All right, I got started on something else. I think I've told you before about the my rear suspension. This is what they typically have on there, or what they originally came with. And it usually goes like right, clamps underneath the spring like that. Or actually, maybe they went over. Either way, match the spring, and it would go back there like that. The shock would get mounted right to here, right here, and also get mounted up to here. So it would go down like that. Well, since I changed the rear end, I got wider perches right here for my axles, which pushes my my shackles out further, which means that it's not the same width as what it originally was on there. So I've been trying to figure out how to get this to, sorry about the video here, working upside down, but trying to figure out how to get this thing to mount up, especially since the two bolts are too wide. Well, finally I did what I should have done from the first time. So this is what I come up with. I'm gonna mount the shocks on the inside. I was also worried about them getting close to the outside about the tire and everything like that, so I'm gonna mount them on the inside. Still doesn't solve the problem of them not matching my shackles, so what I'll do is I'll just cut it. I don't know if you can see that. That's it right there. And we'll go ahead and cut it, and then I'll go run a bead weld on both sides and the end. It'll just become part of the new bottom bracket. Then I'll have to come back up here and just I'll make a plate right in between, somewhere in here, between this little support that I've already had. And this is after I made this years ago when I first got this frame, tore it down and cleaned up. I put this in here for support, but I'll go ahead and put like a piece of 2 or 3 inch flat bar right across here, drill a hole in it, mount this. That'll be that. We'll see how it goes. All right, so been working on this rear shock mounts. I finally got them welded up like what we were talking about before. Got them bolted up. Everything looks fine. I mocked it up with the shock. Alright, so here we go. Like I said, originally I was planning on just coming up with a piece of flat bar, come straight down, drill a hole in the center, and mount the center right there. But if you actually take a look at it from the side, it's not quite, I wouldn't call it a 90 degree little perpendicular thing. So this is just me thinking out loud, maybe. We'll see. But I'll cut a piece of flat bar coming out like right here. I could just, before I do anything, I could weld it up, see what kind of angle it's going to be sitting at. And if it looks good, if it looks like it's going to work, great. If not, plan B is, I'm thinking about if I was to weld to the top here, and on the bottom here, it'd be more of an angle like that, and it'd be more of a 90-degree or perpendicular to the shock mount, instead of it being like that and riding at an angle. If I could actually bring it a little bit like that, be more perpendicular. We'll see. First, let me get some, let me see if I can cut me a little scab piece first and mock something up, see how it's going to look.
Try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. Had no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. I have to forget my old set way of life. I'll go to prison or die by the night. They try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. And no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. I have to forget my old set way of life. I'll go to prison or die by the night.
Confirmed officer down 1980 Park Avenue.
It's just one of day. We don't wanna wake up.
Alright, so I did exactly what I didn't want to do. I went ahead and said, well, that angle, it can't be that bad off, so take the easy way out and I'll just go ahead and go straight across the top. That's what I did, and that angle, I'm not digging it. One thing, my little boot doesn't really fit very well. I'm just not digging it. So I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably go ahead and leave this unless I can figure a way to square up the bottom of it. That's the biggest part I'm worried about, is the bottom part. So maybe if I can angle, get another piece to angle it and kick it and square it up a little bit more, be alright. But like I said, I'm not really digging the way this thing's angled right now. Put this on here. I don't know how loud that fan is. My welder's still turned on, so I don't know how loud it is. I don't know. I'll leave this. I'm going to go ahead and work on this other side. I'm going to go with what I had originally told you I was going to do, and I'll take it up underneath. Try to make it a little bit more square to the shock. Alright, let me try the other side. So, under the top, over the bottom. It's a little bit better. Still not really digging it. It's better than the other side. See the angle, still off a little bit, but it's gonna work for now. It'll work for now. I'll if it gives me problems in the future, I'll go ahead and change it then, but good enough.